Hey, hello everyone. We are solving problems from SQL 50. So this is one of the question from SQL 50. Number is 1581. Customer who visited but did not make any transactions. So as you can see, this is a easy lead code easy SQL question. So let's start to solve it. Okay. So let's go. The column name is we are giving the visits table having two columns, as you can see, as we can see on the screen, having two columns and definitely both having integer type. Okay, and transaction table is given, table description having three columns and all column types are integers. Okay, write a solution to find the IDs of users who visited without making any transaction and the number of times they made these type of visits. Okay, so we need to find those customers who visited something, we called it something mall or something like that, or some shop. Yeah, maybe shop. Okay, we need to find those customers who visited but did not make any transaction. But we want to know how many times they did the same thing, like visiting but not buying anything or not making any transactions. So let's see. Right solution to find the ID of the user who visited without making any transactions. The number of and the number of times they made these type of visits. So they are visiting without any making any transactions, so we need to count that I can say untransacted visits. Okay, to the shop. So we find out customer ID, number of no transaction, count number of transactions, not I can say no transaction. Okay. Let's see what we can do. So visitor ID, yeah, visitor ID is there. So we can connect this first. I get this key, we are combine or we joining these two table on the column name like visit ID, this visit ID. So definitely, and what we get after that, after joining, this is transactions, and those not transacted. Okay, I got. Hmm. So we require those customers who not customers ID who not who not doing transactions. So let's see what we can do. Let me think. So five making transaction, five visited ID. Okay, this is also five. Okay, let's see. So what I can do, I can do is I can do like I will check if I will check if one in this, not this. Suppose one is not in transaction table, then I will be allow that customer ID to inside my new table. Okay, why we doing this? Because we want the customers who visited the shop but did not buy anything. They just visit and go, just the visit and go. Okay, this is a visitor data. This is the visitor data of that customer with customer ID and visited ID, but there is no transaction for that particular customer. Okay, so I'm checking is customer ID one, visited ID one exist in this. So yes, so we don't want now because they are transacted. We don't want transaction customer who did transaction. We want customer who just visited and not get visited and not get not do any transactions. Okay, so what we will do, we will select and we will use customer ID, customer ID, That's it for now. And from visits, 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 and where VC ID not in. Okay. So and then I will use group by, count that number of customers, and I will use number of count, number of transactions as पावभाजी करायची आहे? Written in any of the. Okay. Our solution get accepted for the first test case. Let's see for the other test cases. Yeah, our solution get accepted. So this is our question and this is our answer or query. So if you like it, be my guest and enjoy it. Happy coding.